my creative friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make Diwali decorations using paper plates. First of all, you want to take a plate and you just want to fold it and you just cut. You would like, I'm cutting more sort of geometric sort of shapes. So it's a bit like making a snowflake. If you've ever made a snowflake, which is exactly like making a snowflake. You're just, there you go. And then you just want to kind of open it up and you've all instantly got a pattern. And then you just want to colour that in. I'm using some regular felt tips and I'm just going to be colouring in the piece. So it's finished and you can just hang that up. You can make a few of them and put them side by side. Here's another one I created, and this one uses different colors, and also I cut the shapes a bit more smaller. If you want to get that detail, you can cut the shapes a bit more smaller than that. So there you go, here's my Diwali decorations. So with this one you need some coloured paper or coloured cards, so get some coloured paper, and the first thing you want to do is cut a shape like this. Okay, so you want to cut that shape. So you want to draw around this shape. So once you've cut around it, you can either paint it or you can just colour it in with some felt tips. I am just going to colour it in. And you want to draw around that coloured card. So you just want to draw lots of circles. Some circles will be sort of a larger sort of circle like that, and then here I've just got a bottle top and a slightly smaller circle. So you want to cut quite a few of these. So once you've cut out your shapes, you want to create sort of an ice cream cone looking piece. And I've got loads of them here. I've got 10 blue, and I've got 8 pink, and I've got 8 orange pieces that I've done. And this is the smaller circle. I'll show you how to do that. It's really simple. I'm just doing it with a hot glue gun because, like I said, I'm just kind of working fast at the moment. And I've got a bit of hot glue gun there. And you just want to simply fold it like so to create the cone, and hold it in place a little bit. And there you go, I've done one. And then this is kind of the time consuming bit. You've just got to create loads of these. And then the main bit is just arranging everything. So you want to apply the glue gun again, and you want to arrange the pieces. So I'm just going to be placing them around. I've just got two sort of rectangular pieces of card which are the same size, and I'm just going to be cutting like this, and then I'm just going to be folding them, punching them up a bit at the top. Feel like it needs a bit more cutting, and just give it a cut. And you've got a Diwali flower, beautiful Diwali flower. And then on the sides here, you could just give it a bit of a bend, so you've got a full sort of 3D decoration. Thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed watching me create these lovely Diwali decorations out of paper plates.